Hello.
Dear learners, hope you are well in this pandemic situation. I am MD Suwali, Assistant Teacher English, BS Academy Student College, Chandanesh. In this online class, I am going to teach you about changing sentence in English grammar. Actually, what is changing sentence? To change one form of sentence into another form is called changing sentence. There are two forms of changing sentence. They are conversion of sentence and transformation of sentence. In conversion of sentence, you have to change one sentence from another by changing its meaning. Such as Karim is a good boy. This is affirmative sentence. It is negative form. In conversion of sentence, Karim is not a good boy. That is opposite to one. In transformation of sentence, you have to change one form into another without changing its meaning. Such as Karim is a good boy. It is affirmative form. Here negative in transformation, Karim is not a bad boy. Here we change one form into another, but we don't change its meaning. Karim is a good boy. That indicates Karim is not a bad boy. That is similar meaning. Now I am going to teach you some specific rules of transformation sentence. In the whiteboard, you can see at first we change affirmative to negative. Rule 1: alone or only, that indicates affirmative form. If you find in a sentence alone or only, if this indicates Allah, God, or any person, you can put none but instead of alone or only. If this indicate Allah or any person, here you can see Allah alone can save us. Here alone is affirmative form. Alone indicate Allah. So you have to put none but instead of alone. None but Allah can save us. The second sentence, only the graduate can apply for the post. Here only indicate graduate. Graduate means the person who has completed graduation. Only indicate any person. So in negative form you have to put none but instead of only. None but the graduate can apply for the post. If only indicate anything, any object, you have to put nothing but instead of only. In the sentence, only the moon was visible in the sky. Here only indicate moon, which is an object. So you have to use nothing but instead of only. Nothing but the moon was visible in the sky. In the next sentence, only Rohim was only 12 years old. Here only indicate age of a person. If only indicate age of person or number, you have to use not more than instead of only to change affirmative into negative. Rohim was only 12 years old. Only indicate 12, that is age of Rohim. Here only will be changed into not more than in negative sentence. If you find any number, only if only indicates any number, you have to use not more than instead of only. Dear learners, in rule 2, if affirmative has have to, has to, or must, you can change into negative by using cannot but instead of have to, has to, or must. Such as affirmative, we must do the work. Here must indicate affirmative form. To change the sentence into negative, you have to put cannot but instead of must. We cannot but do the work. Or you can use cannot help instead of must. In this case, you have to add ing to the verb. Do will be changed into doing. If you put cannot help to change into negative, we cannot help doing the work. Next, if you find had to in affirmative sentence, to change into negative, you should put could not but instead of had to change negative from affirmative. Such as he had to go there. Here had to indicates affirmative from. To change the sentence into negative, you have to put he could not but go there. Could not but will be used instead of had to change negative from affirmative.
For flower.
In rule 3, you can see if affirmative sentence is started every at the beginning. To change the sentence to negative, you have to put there is no instead of every. Then next word, and then but, and then others. Example, everybody loves flowers. Here, everybody indicates affirmative sentence. To change the sentence into negative, you have to put there is no instead of every. And then body, the next word. And then but, and then others loves flowers. The sentence is there is nobody but loves flowers. If you find in the question paper every mother loves her child, so you have to use there is no instead of every, then mother, next word, and then but, and then loves her child. There is no mother but loves her child. Everyone avoids a liar. Here you have to use there is no one instead of every. Then one, then but loves, avoids a liar. In rule 4, you can see sometimes to change affirmative to negative, you have to put opposite from in a state of affirmative word. You have to find out what is affirmative word, and then you have to use opposite from of affirmative word, and then use not before opposite from. In the example, he is kind to the poor. Here affirmative word is kind. You have to put unkind in a state of kind. Unkind is opposite from of kind, and then you have to use not before unkind. The sentence he is kind to the poor. The accurate negative form of the sentence is he is not unkind to the poor. There are some example. Dear learners, in this online class, I teach you some important rules how to change affirmative into negative. Hope you are practicing English grammar, staying at your home in this pandemic situation. I shall discuss with you some another rules in next online class. Till then, I hope you will remain safe and sound at your home. Thank you for watching and enjoying this class.